Good evening. How's it going? Today is my day off, but on the other hand, and unfortunately, tomorrow I have to go to the office. The reason is just because I'm drawn under the tons of tasks. Upcoming Monday, I have to handle to give a presentation to board member to get approval of new project. I am a engineering leader, and also we have a project leader as well. So as for engineering part, regarding the schedule and core technologies is already fully established or not, and also the plan, the whole plan including the implementation and evaluation, debugging, almost everything predictable and real and re- uh, just a moment, realizable. All right. And also, I usually saying that now I'm having an internship student. I have to frequently check on her because she is kinda newbie in my office. That's why if I'm usually making the milestone or next steps she will tackle. Without that things, it would be difficult for her to find out the next move and how to tackle the topics. The topics I gave her as an internship program is really challenging and tough thing. So if she could handle the whole entire project by herself, by her own initiative, then it's so crazy that because if she handled them, she must be a professional engineer who has already more than 10 years experience for implementation. That's impossible. So that's why I I've decided to make the milestone for her. So that makes me a bit busy to since I need to check on her frequently. And if needed, I usually book the meeting room and discuss the topics where she stumbled, what she is worried about, and also she when she's on the fence about two approaches or something like that. And also, um, I have really happy thing which happens in in the coming September. Let me share with you. The conference, which is related to my department, will happen in India. That is in the national conference. And then my manager is give me a chance to give a presentation that conference. But the topic my manager required is a bit not related my job directly. So that's why I have to study and learn the topic from my colleagues as well. But I definitely driven by a desire to participate in the conference. That must I believe that definitely will contribute to expand my potential and English skills more and more. I'm so charged up to tackle that. All right. So those things are the tips of the iceberg. But yeah, I have other thing to do. So tomorrow I have to go to the office. All right. Let's move on the next topic. In this morning, I climbed to the mountain, which is not high, but close to my place. The reason is I just want to pray for a good relationship with my wife. Yesterday, unfortunately and sadly, she got emotional again. I know that recently she's having the really challenging or depressed environment at her office. I'd like to comfort her as much as possible, but recently, as you know, I'm also being busy. So sometimes it's overwhelming for me to handle it. But I like to go with her comfortably and happily. That's why I just decided to climb to the shrine to pray for our happiness. All right. Thank you for listening today as well. Have a good day off.